Hello, my groove-tastic people. What's good? It's your boy Keyshawn. And we are coming to visit another Bloomfield home. Just to see, this is another sold home that is in this neighborhood that I showed you guys before from the opposite home on the other side. This home is already foundationally built. So we gonna go check it out. Another sold Bloomfield home. What do we have here? This is a very gorgeous start to a foundation. Well, production is in progress. You know, the earth wasn't built in a day. So, at least the washer and dryer would be right here as soon as you walk into the house. Probably be a coat rack right there. Closet. Shower. That's going to be a very, very big shower. And it got a sit-down area. It's pretty nice. For a quick disclaimer, so this is just for educational purposes. I am not a financial advisor. I am not someone who is to tell you or report to anything about anything requiring finance. I am just a person that is bringing you humor and positivity. Dig it. Man. Fortress of Solitude. Yes, sir. This is definitely the master bedroom. Set the bed up right there. That's pretty nice. They will have an open view out. But these backyards aren't so big. Like a 0.7 acre, 0.5 acre. Fridge will go right there, pantry. Movies. You remember those days during like boxing season and all that? You have the whole little family here, Super Bowl, right there. Foundations. It's a building process, but I can tell you, I've been coming around these homes for about maybe 6 months now, and I've been noticing these homes are being built fast, man. Like these subdivisions, how these subdivisions are broken off and these contractors are sent over to these houses, man, they are trying to rip and run through these homes. The only thing is equipment is so expensive trying to get affordability. That's why the contracts be taking so long. But, yep, this is just a growing process of how everything is, So, this is a long hallway. They could put a lot of maybe some pictures up, set some pictures up, make it not look so bland when you're walking through the hallway. Kind of almost like you're entering into a palace. Wow, we are here. Hello, everyone. Ta-ta. Then we come over here. Okay, here's one. They gotta put the things in the doors. Bathroom. 2. That's nice. 3. So 4 bed. 2 bath. 3 bath. Okay. For a very single family home, I'm not gonna lie with you. This is pretty spacious. This is pretty big. You get a lot for your value. My fair people, I want to bring you some more words of encouragement. In order for me to do that, You gotta like and subscribe, man. You gotta come and visit and talk and chop it up with your boy, because your boy wants to make moves with you. But in order for me to make moves with you, I need you to follow me and be in the culture. Follow. I got you guys. But you guys have a wonderful day. We are growing and showing.